But what's most important for a terminal? It's definitely battery life. Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you a hands-on video of the mid-range powerhouse, the Honor X80 Pro Maximum. The one I have here is the Moonlight White color. Let me show you around first. The pure white leather back cover has a subtle ceramic sheen, and when light shines through it, it has a hazy pearlescent effect. It's simple and clean, a versatile color that appeals to both men and women. Let's talk about the first impression. Many people, upon hearing 11,000 mAh battery, immediately think of a heavy, brick-like device. But actually holding it, you'll be surprised. It's only 8.08 mm thick and weighs 203 grams, making it comfortable to hold with one hand. The edges are very smooth, and the bark-like texture is dry and doesn't attract fingerprints. Even in summer, it won't leave unsightly sweaty fingerprints. The circular camera module on the back has a gold metal ring with delicate nail-like details on the edges, and the Honor logo is prominently displayed below. The overall quality of the phone doesn't feel like something in the 2,000 yuan price range. Giorgio went straight to the core concern everyone had, battery life, which is also the biggest trump card of this phone. The 11,000 mAh 4th generation hydrogen-oxygen lake battery, what does that mean? It's almost double the capacity of mainstream mobile phone batteries on the market. In a real-world test, I used it for 2 days, watching 4 hours of short videos, 2 hours of WeChat, 1 hour of navigation, and half an hour of gaming each day. By the second night, there was still over 30% battery left. With normal use, it easily lasts 2 days on a single charge, and with light use, 3 days is no problem. Official data says it can continuously watch short videos for 33.5 hours and navigate for 21.3 hours, even setting a Guinness World Record for 26 hours of live streaming battery life. For delivery riders, long-distance drivers, and those who frequently travel for work, this phone basically lets you say goodbye to carrying a power bank. For charging, it comes with a 90W wired fast charger. In a test, it charged to about 70% in 30 minutes and fully charged in about 50 minutes. Considering this is a 11,000 mAh battery, the speed is absolutely impressive. Now let's talk about the screen, which also exceeded expectations. It's a 6.8-inch 1.5K online flat screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Best of all, the peak brightness reaches 10,000 nits, so even outdoors, the content remains clear and transparent, unlike many other phones that have a hazy, blurry appearance. Eye protection is also top-notch, 3,840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming plus the full suite of Honor Oasis eye protection technologies. Browsing your phone in bed at night won't tire your eyes. The narrow bezels are also well controlled, and the front visual experience is very close to flagship levels. In terms of performance, it's equipped with a 5th generation Snapdragon 6 mobile platform. Let me be clear, it's not a flagship chip, but it's perfectly adequate for daily use. In actual testing, playing Honor of Kings for 2 hours continuously with default settings only resulted in a slight increase in temperature, which was just right. Combined with Honor's Hummingbird architecture, the official claim is that it can guarantee smooth performance for 6 years. This phone should last 3 to 4 years without any issues, even for seniors or students. Let's talk about another core selling point, durability. Honor has gone all out with its protection this time, using a body structure inspired by the anti-collision beams of F1 racing cars. It supports 3-meter anti-aging and has IP68, IP69, and IP69K triple dust and water resistance. It's not afraid of hot water or splashes. The best part is that the official website offers a 2-year free screen replacement service. If it's accidentally broken, it will be replaced for free. This is especially important for careless users or those buying it for elders. In terms of imaging, it's decent. The 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization is sufficient for everyday tasks like scanning QR codes, taking pictures of food, and recording daily life. The image clarity is also good in good lighting. However, the ultra-wide-angle and telephoto lenses don't perform particularly well in low light. Those with high demands for photography shouldn't have too high expectations. Overall, the Honor X80 Pro Max is a phone with very distinct characteristics. It's not a well-rounded all-rounder, but it excels in addressing the 2 major user pain points, battery life and durability. The feel in hand is also well controlled. Add to that the eye protection screen, stable experience, and a price just over 2,000 yuan, and if you're an outdoor worker who frequently travels long distances, a family member who enjoys long journeys, or someone looking for a backup phone with zero battery anxiety, then this phone is a no-brainer. That's all for this episode. What do you think of this battery-powered phone? Let's discuss in the comments.